Except this is Lily Shaonola from CMTV. This is calling your partner to confirm if your partner is loyal. Today I'm in the studio where I'm gonna be meeting a lady. This lady wrote to us and she said, I wanna talk to you guys. I wanna call my partner. So she has been sending emails since last year, I think. So today we took the chance to say, come to the office, let's make it happen. So yeah, stay tuned. Dango.
Oh, cause ungisizile like ungenze ngafind out iqiniso, so it's fine.
Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Ungihlanyisa wena, don't make me mad. Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Awudokungamnendaba nakho. Angithi sinase senzile loyalty test sibonile ukuthi yena akakho faithful. Into enzokwenza yona.
And saying light skinned since nini?
Asikaqedi washelwa yimina wena. What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me is that when I stuck with my girlfriend there.
Why are you cheating?
Hi guys, this is your boy Lily Shaonola from CMTV. So today my sister came here to the studio. She wrote to us and said, guys, please call my man and test if he's loyal, because there's so many things that I'm suspecting. There's so many things that I think they are going wrong. So she's here. We're gonna talk with her and give her the conclusion, give her the answers. My sister Unjan.
Yeah, Pilunjan, but
I'm good. What's your name?
I'm Kanyisa.
Kanyisa, we're gonna call your man, but before we call your man, I just need to ask a few questions. When Alamuntu Ako, how long have you guys been together?
It's been 4 years now.
4 years. And how's the relationship going?
It's fine, but you know my relationship, Sanjan. Yeah, I'm ups and down.
Okay. When last did you see him?
Yesterday.
Okay. Do you guys have a baby?
Nope.
Okay. So there are so many things and you feel like this person is cheating. That really triggered you. What is it that really happened that made you feel like, I know, this one is cheating?
The way like he's behaving lately. Nefoni yakhe manje uhlale mekabe phone uyayiflethelisa, so like ziningi izinto engizibona manje ngizinotice ukuthi this person uchintshile.
Okay. So ke tlo gopa o fake number tsa gagwe ne. Go body fake mo. Yeah. I'm phone. Thank you. Hello. Hello. How are you doing?
I'm not boss. How are you?
Good, thanks. You're speaking to Lee from CMTV. I'm doing a show where we test the relationships. Your partner is here. We want to ask you a few questions to test if you're loyal. So we want to check if you're loyal. Your partner is here in the studio with us. We want to just check if you're loyal. I'm just going to ask you questions, 3 questions, and I'm done.
Oh, all right, no problem.
How long have you guys been together with your partner?
2 years. 2 years, 3 years. Yeah.
Okay. Do you guys have a baby?
No.
Is your partner light skin or dark skin?
It's dark. Like that skin color.
Okay. And when last did you see your partner?
Like a month ago. Yeah, 2 weeks or a month ago, yeah.
Okay. And what is your partner's name?
Tandiwe.
Tandiwe?
Hi. Hello. So igama lami ngithandiwe. Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, igama lami ngithandiwe ngoku.
Mina ndazothandiwe kaloku mna umuntu wami kanti ngibani ulifonelayo Tandi who's famous.
Oh wow.
Because I only have.
Really?
But the voice sounds familiar though, but I'm not sure from when and where.
So umuntu wakho ngithandiwe akuseyo Khanyisa. Awusena umuntu ongikhanyisa wena. Ubunobani izolo?
Ukhanyisa wani?
Ubunobani izolo? Jonga sizoniqhela apha. Ngicela ube serious cause I'm serious. Jonga mamela. Thetha nawe ngoku unimamele. Ndithi ubunobani izolo? Ubunobani izolo? Ubunobani izolo? So ke ngoku
like sikhwela uzakhona bithi yaqala ukunami bendlala because andiyazi balo nifonelayo ngithethisa naye.
Ewethu akhonde ucinga kuyadlalwa apha.
Kaloku fonini wena nifonisa abantu engabaziyo ngonza uthini mina xa kunivela igqi abantu ngasebenifuna.
Noba ngabantu ongabaziyo okusalayo awumaza ndithi lo muntu lo sokumele uthethe inyani.
Bengibhanqa laa mntu lo kandimazi bangibani.
Kumele uthethe no awumbhanqi umxelele inyani wena. So ujolele mna una 3 years yonke ujola nalo muntu ojola lo thandiwe wakho.
Angisoze ndiyenza apha kuwe lo sithando sakho.
Hayi Jonga uhlala nalo thandiwe wakho but hlala naye.
Mfowethu. My brother, are you doing Stembu?
No, not even.
So,
only we have one game, but ngifune
lo munye lo khuluma ngaye wena naye niyasebenzisa condom.
Uthandiwe igama nje ngikabile.
Ngithi naye niyasebenzisa condom, yes or no?
Yeah.
Niyasebenzisa condom, yes or no?
Nana bani?
Oh, ask him.
Yewethu futhi asinaxesha la kudlala apha lezi games zakho busy ngazo ne. Kuyabuzwa uyayisebenzisa icondom na? Yes or no? Nothandiwe. Sibuza uthandiwe.
Yeah.
Because now you are busy playing ama mind games.
Umuntu wami sesukuyotesta nje soyi-2 sezaza sinanix seva clean nawe.
Yazi uyaqhela wena kahle. Ucinga kuyadlalwa apha ne? Ucinga siyadlala apha.
Yenze ntoni?
Ucinga siyadlala apha. Khanga uthi umuntu wakho nguNto ngithandiwe.
Kaloku nifonele nami engayaziyo.
Uyabuzwa ke ngokuba wena nothandiwe. I3 years nifike nini ku3 years nothandiwe? Umgqibele last month. Yeah.
Usolisha mnya 5 months yabe ngidlala nje games man sithando sami.
Jo khawuhlala nothandiwe wakho but hayi hlala nothandiwe wakho. Andithi wena nomuntu wakho ngithandiwe umgqibele last month ontontoni kodwa bendinawo izolo.
Yeke lo sithando sami ngitsho nje mina bengayazi bani umuntu ufonayo.
Ansazi ngeni kwa indaba zakho ke mnake. Ansangeni kwa into edibene nawe. Ndizoza nje apho ngizothatha into zami ndiphume negama lami. Bye bye.
Like that now. Ungayenzi lo ungadrop ifoni ngisithando sami.
Ndizayidropa ndimo kufoneleyo andithi.
Yeah, mshiya. Bye bye mfowethu. Uyakushiya.
Bani khona wena bafu.
Uthi uyakushiya ngithi. Uthi uyakushiya. My sister.
Amadoda.
Ufila kanjani?
Yo. Hayi, ndi shocked. I'm very shocked. And uyambona ngokuyabona ukuthi ubhaqiwe then uthi bekedlala ntontontontonton.
Banjivela ngiyabazi. Masumbhaqa uthi beyadlala what. And we know what ivangadlali.
Akadlali nje ngumuntu wakhe.
So manje uzenza kanjani like uzobasingele uzomnika ichance ukuthi what's going to happen?
I don't forgive it cheating. So I'm leaving.
But I can't just waste years.
No. I didn't waste any years. Mosha kai one then that's it. That means into akazohlala eyenza.
Yo. Do you think so totally cancelling?
Yeah.
Guys, my sister has been suspecting ukuthi lo mjita uyachita. And then I wrote to ask her, she wants to come to the studio so that she can be able to call umntu wakhe and attest ukuthi vela uyachita na. And vela nayo yabona ukuthi uyachita lo mjita. So if you guys have any advice for my sister, please do, recommend, suggest whatever advice you have. But yeah, from my side, I feel like we'll do whatever we can to help her. Yes, my sister, I'm sorry, man.
Yeah, it's okay. Same Slavin.
This is your boy Lil Hlonolo from CMTV. Don't forget to subscribe. Tango.
Oh, cause ungisizile like ungenze ngafind out iqiniso, so it's fine.
Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Don't make me mad. Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Awulokungamnendaba nakho. Angithi sinasesenzile loyalty test sibonile ukuthi yena akekho faithful. Into enzokwenza yona.
And saying light skinned since nini?
Asikaqedi washelwa yimina wena. What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me is that when you're stuck with my girlfriend there.
Why are you cheating?